again tonight. Today is my birthday actually, so I'm making myself a meal. And I'm doing a top sirloin roast, alright? So, see what I have right here? It's a nice top sirloin roast. Shout outs to the meat guys, they have the best meat in the whole Calgary. Grass-fed, AAA grass-fed, finished on grain, Alberta Premium. So we're gonna make a nice pot roast, but we're gonna sear it to lock the flavor, and then we're gonna finish it in the oven, alright? So come with me guys, come with me. Smashed potato, that's the pan for searing our nice top sirloin roast. And we got some kale here, some plantains, whole thing of garlic. We got a 1 bell pepper red, parsley over here. Stay with me and then you'll see some more secret ingredients that's gonna put together this dish. Okay guys, we're gonna season this. Press one button.